This is the triangle inequality theorem. Section 5-6, determining the side lengths of a triangle. Properties of an inequality. Just as a refresher, please solve each inequality below. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Got it? Let's continue. Triangle inequality theorem 5-12 states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the lengths of the third side. For example, angle side xy plus side yz must be greater than side xz in order for the triangle to be a triangle.
Here is a visual of the theorem. The first triangle, triangle ABC, we can tell that triangle ABC is not a triangle because when you add up sides J and side L together, they equal 5.64 centimeters, which is smaller than side K's 8.33 centimeters, because the triangle inequality theorem states that J plus L must be greater than K. Triangle ABC is not a triangle. In the next triangle, triangle EFG, it is a triangle because M plus N is greater than O, N plus O is greater than M, and O plus M is greater than N, so it works with the triangle inequality theorem.
Let's try an example. You have a triangle with sides of 3 feet, 7 feet, and 8 feet. Is this possible? Feel free to stop the video and try it for yourself. The first step that you would do is you would add each two sides together. If the two sides are greater than the third side, then the triangle is a triangle. The answer to this equation is yes, the sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the lengths of the third side.
This is our second example we are going to try. The sides of this triangle are 5 feet, 10 feet, and 15 feet. Pause the video and see if you can get this answer. Did you get this? 5 plus 10 equals 15. But since 15 equals the 15 feet of the other side, this cannot be a triangle because the triangle inequality theorem states that the two sides, just as the 5 and 10, must be smaller than the third side of the 15. And since they're equal, this is not a triangle. The final type of problem will give you the length of two sides and ask you to find the length of the third side. To get the largest possible side, you have to add the other two sides together. Because if the third side is as large or larger than the other two sides, it would be too large to connect to the other two sides. Therefore, 8 plus 5 is 13, so the largest possible side for x is 13 centimeters. To get the smallest possible size, you do the opposite. You subtract. Because if it's too small, it won't be big enough to connect to the other sides. 8 minus 5 is 3. Therefore, the smallest possible size is 3 centimeters. You have to set this up as a compound inequality. So the final answer you'd put on your paper would be 3 is less than x, which is less than 13.
Got it? We hope you all do very well in your midterms. Good luck.